Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nation.MREfinds, and I'm so glad you can join me again for another ration review. This time, we have a custom MRE, it's not even an MRE. It's a ready-to-eat individual, but it's Mike Kreischer Reviews. And he's been working on this for a while. I'm really excited to get into this. Let's see what's inside. Hey, it's got Nation on there. Oh man, thanks Mike. Ooh, veggie chorizo breakfast scramble. I'm having this for my dinner. Chocolate banana nut muffin top. Wait, what? Never had that before. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, Mike, you dog. Cheese bread with jalapenos. Skyflakes crackers. And then we got another. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, this one's onion and garlic, I think. Oh, heck yeah. Another sticker. I'll put that one right by yours over here, Mike. Oh, yeah. Thanks, brother. Ooh, Frank's Red Hot. It's not Texas Pete, but it'll do. If it's not Texas Pete, it's just an ordinary hot sauce. No, I'm just kidding. All right, we got here. Oh, yep. Yep, butt rations, butt tickets, toilet paper, napkins. Very versatile. Ah, yeah, some more accessories. Toothpick. Crushed red pepper, wet nap. Ooh, yes, lemonade. Beverage base. All right. I don't think I've ever had that before. Oh, Mike, how did you know I like the 3-in-1? Oh, man, this is fantastic because I do like the Canadian's 3-in-1. And then the compressed napkin from a Canadian IMP. This is an MRE. This is a meal. I'm really excited. Let's get to eating, folks. 3-in-1 coffee here. Looks like salt and pepper. That is looking absolutely impeccably delicious. Little bubble just plopped up to say hi. Hello, little bubble. Oh, hello, second bubble. Hey there. Bubbles came up to say hi. Oh, look, a third bubble. Hello, little bubbles. How you doing? Oh, yeah. In goes the lemonade. That's looking like white sand. Two servings, huh? Well, have they met me? I may be skinny, but I sure can eat. Woo! Hey, that's looking pretty good in there. Yeah. Yeah, pour that hot water. For her off to the side. Let's try some things. Okay, so I want to try the coffee immediately, and it's super hot. Oh, this is just excellent. It's really good coffee. It's smooth, and the creamer and sugar balances out that bitterness, and it is richly robust. Let's see here. Let's go for the lemonade, shall we? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god. Oh, that's tart and tangy. Very acidic. Ooh, and because it's sugar-free, it has a weird chemical aftertaste. I don't know, it's weird. Wow, I have to go for that banana in there. Oh, that is so good. This is ferociously fantastic. It is. That would be perfect in the morning. I should have had this in the morning. This is my dinner, but there's nuts. I think that's banana or something. That's like ripened banana or something. I don't know, it's like chocolate chips, actually. No, I think it's, I don't know. I think that's walnut or something. Pecan, walnut. There it is. Let's go for that piece. Oh, there's 2 chunks in there. Oh, man. Dog. You guys, you have to try a banana muffin top from an MRE. Oh, Gordon Ramsay would be impressed. Oh man. And let's pair it with this coffee. Wow, that to wash that down with that coffee is really good. It's smooth. That coffee, that 3-in-1 is absolutely impeccable. I can't get over it. It's so delicious and sweet, but not like sickeningly diabetes sweet either. But it's not bitter. It's right down the middle. It's perfect. Now I did try one off camera. You see I nibbled at it, and there's no onion to be found. It's just garlic, a garlic cracker, and it's still perfectly fine. It still has good flavor, even though it is garlic forward, and you're gonna have garlic breath. It isn't too overpowering and strong like some garlic flavored things are. The caramel and the peanuts add like a savoriness, like a weird, for some reason it's like a savoriness going on. The thin layer of chocolate adds a sweetness, so it's like a savory sweet deal going on. I did dunk it in the coffee, and I was gonna take a bite, but my phone wasn't recording, so I do apologize about that. But so let's give it a shot now. Oh man, that was really good. I mean, because it was creamy now because of the coffee. That was an excellent combination. Really good. Because I never had a whatchamacallit, you know? So thank you, Mike. That tasted amazing. Now it's time for our breakfast. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, look in there. All right, let's get this out. Oh my, the portion size they give you. Oh, hey, look. What is this? I don't want to brag, but I've been told I'm kind of spicy. Don't worry, me too. Not really. Got a potato stick, some beef, an egg, bell pepper. Right, here we go. Whoa, it is spicy, but that is really... Wow, Mountain House, huh? How can something be so good? Freeze dried. It doesn't make any sense. Good way to start your day if you're camping or hiking, what have you. Have something for breakfast if you're going to work. You have a little extra time. Hey, here you go. To kick it up a notch, we're going to have these Frank's Red Hot. Again, if it ain't Texas Pete, it's just a regular old hot sauce. Just drizzle a little bit. The taste resembles like Tabasco because it has so much vinegar flavor. So instead, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit. And then we're going to have this jalapeno cheese spread. We're going to put that on there. This stuff is amazing. And really, it should be sold in stores. That's how amazing it is. So now let's just drizzle it all right there. Oh, man. I want to save some for a spoonful, but let's mix it in now. Cheese should have added some creaminess, and the Frank's should have kicked up that heat and that spice to a level 10 now. Let's give it a shot. Oh man. Oh man. What? This is redonkulous. How good this is. There's no way. And I can taste that jalapeno cheese spread. It shines through. None of these flavors conflict. That's the amazing thing about it. Because I can taste the Frank's, I can taste the cheese spread, but I can also taste the spice it already had to begin with. None of these flavors conflict or overshadow or cloud one another. They're all shine through. They all shine through, and they're all, perfect in their respective ways. This is perfect. This is a great meal. Oh, man. That jalapeno cheese spread is sharp. It has a sharp cheddar to it. This is gourmet now. Woo! And that spice. Oh, yeah, it's spicy now. See, I don't know what these potato sticks looking thing are, but I don't know. Let's put it on some garlic crackers. All right. there's too much garlic in there, in that cracker. And, woo! It conflicts with the eggs. Oh, man. I'm just going to go regular old cracker for this one. That cracker has a very strong wheat and barley flavor. Very strong. Surprised. I think I'll just have it on its own. No crackers. Well, let's put on another cracker here. Alright. Let's look at that potato stick or something. What is that? I don't know what that was. Oh, man. Here's a big old bite with that weird potato stick. Oh, there's that Frank's. Oh, there we go. It's sweet, too. That Frank's is hot. Well, Frank, red hot, but... Oh, man. I'm enjoying my dinner tonight. Wow. Thanks, Mike. Oh, man, this is going to be crazy. Look at that. All right, here we go. Oh, man. Okay. All right, so one more bite for me and I'm done here. Wow, and that spoonful of the jalapeno cheese spread, that was very spicy, but very good indeed. Wow, I enjoyed tonight's meal. I enjoyed my tonight's dinner. Thanks, Mike. He created his own custom MRE, sent me it, and I'm reviewing it. And it's a good one, Mike. Trust me. Oh, man, look at those walnuts. And that has such great flavor. This, I don't know what is my favorite piece. I don't know what's my favorite piece in this meal. The egg breakfast thing, that candy bar, this muffin top, or that coffee. I don't know. But I just hit another walnut. That's all I got left. Oh, man. That was an amazing coffee. It really was. And I didn't need the salt and pepper, the crushed red pepper. Didn't need that. However, I do want to look at this fresh snap. My hands are all messy and whatnot. Thanks, Mike. Thanks for providing me dinner here. This was an amazing meal, and I'm very happy that you chose me to send out your custom MREs. I feel honored to try your custom MRE, and it was amazing, buddy. It was delicious, and this is an MRE. It was a great MRE, and some of these components I've never tried, and I did now, and I'm very happy. So thank you, Mike. Thank you again. And here is his tumbler that he sent me, or one of them, and it's got his logo. If you wouldn't mind, go subscribing to his channel, folks. Subscribe, click his bell, and like all his videos. And yeah, go check him out, guys. Great guy, great reviewer, great friend. I'm Nation.MREfinds, guys, where I'm on a quest to consume unique rations from all around the world. For tonight's dinner, MRE sent by Mike Crazy Reviews. So thanks again, Mike. Thanks, man. And I guess I'll have some of these for tonight. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Bye.